Hey guys, I'm going to show you I can make Alistair Stim with a spinner. Want to see? Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Want to see again? Look. Look.
Hey.
Look. Yeah. Kind of hypnotizing, huh? Alistair's a little sick, so he has a rash. Look. Yeah, you see his hands? Here, here. Spin. Oh yeah.
That's so weird. All the boys are howling right now.
I know. It works every time. Yeah, come here. Boys and I were playing tonight and thrashed the place.
You
Here.
guys are pretty cute.
Oh. You see? You want to spin it? Here, spin it. Spin it. Spin it. Yeah, every time he'll start stimming. It's definitely a result we can produce again and again, which I just find really fascinating. You like that, bud?
I think it's also a happy thing. Like sometimes he just stims when he's happy too.
Yeah. He puts his tongue out to the side of his mouth and he flaps his hands. It's kind of unique. Want to do it again? Wow. The white balance on this phone is going crazy.